next one is going to feel really easy compared to the last two we just did. You're going to do a shuffle step heel, and then you're going to fill out the 8 count with additional step heels. Shuffle, step heel, 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 shuffle, step heel, step heel, step heel, step heel, step heel, step heel, step heel. So this next one is going to start with a shuffle step heel. And then you're going to do a whole series of step heels to finish the 8 count. So it's going to be shuffle, step heel, step heel, step heel, step heel, step heel, step heel, step heel. Then the left side starts. Shuffle, step heel, step heel, step heel, step heel, step heel, step heel, step heel. There it is, that's the whole thing. Let's go through it a few times. So starting with the right foot, you have 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and shuffle, step heel, 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 shuffle, step heel, step heel, step heel, step heel, step heel, step heel, step heel. Okay, you want to make sure your step heels are nice and clean. Very often, especially as we start to go faster, people don't really get those two sounds. They're just kind of stepping fast and they end up with kind of one sound and a flat foot. So especially when you're practicing slower, make sure to really emphasize the toe and then the heel. That's a big part of what this exercise is about. Now sometimes you will see this rudiment done and people will travel while they're doing it because it's kind of boring to just kind of stay in place and do it. So when you start with the shuffle on the right foot, you would travel to the right. So that would be 5, 6, 7, 8, and shuffle, step heel, 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 shuffle, step heel, 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 shuffle, step heel, step heel, step heel, step heel, step heel, step heel, step heel. You don't have to travel. You're probably at home on a small tap board. You can do it in place, but I just wanted to point that out because a lot of times you'll see videos of people doing this rudiment and they're traveling with it. And I've had people say, you know, should we travel? It's up to you. It's a personal preference thing. If you're bored staying in place and you've got the room, you might as well do it with that little step together. All right, let's go one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and shuffle, step heel, step heel, step heel, step heel, step heel, step heel, step heel. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2